Hi everybody, this is the website boy from the websiteboy.com, and today I'm going to show you what Bootstrap is and I'm going to show you how to use it. First of all, you probably heard a lot of people talking about Bootstrap. What is Bootstrap? All right, let's find out. You probably already searched it online, but maybe you're looking to learn how to use it. So today you're gonna find out how to use it. First of all, we went to Google, we searched for Bootstrap, and we landed on their page, which is getbootstrap.com. First of all, Bootstrap is like it says it right here is a framework. It's a library full of code of classes and that you can use in your HTML to make your life easier. So today I'm going to show you how to use it. So we have a blank HTML file here called bootstrap.html. I don't know if you can see it there. Okay. And we are going to install Bootstrap here so we can start using it right away. So first of all, we have to download the framework. And they got different ways of downloading it here. Now, you can use these files and reference that style sheet from the internet, from the CDN. You can reference the JavaScript or the CSS, minify or unminify way. Actually, they both minify here, and this is a theme reference file. But anyways, what I usually do, this you cannot use on just plain simple HTML unless you're connected to a web server that can read internet files. Okay, you have to use a local reference file for if you're not connected to a server. Okay, so first of all, let's download this and show you how this works. So we clicked on download. Now we are going to my Finder and we're looking for that distribution zip. We're gonna unzip it. Okay, now that we unzip it, we have a folder that has 3 folders in it: CSS, fonts, and JS. You need all 3 if you are developing something nice. So what I'm going to do is I have that Bootstrap file is right here somewhere, right here, and I'm gonna put that CSS inside here. So let's do that. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you. Oops, I already had that open. Let me just go to my downloads. There we go. I usually like to take this out and do it like this. All right. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to copy all the CSS into here. Okay. I have the fonts. I'm going to just do that there. Already have some JS there. And I'm going to get this to up here. Now I have that on my CSS and I can reference it from my HTML page. Now let's reference Bootstrap. This is the first thing. Okay, don't let that scare you what I just did right now and did it really fast. That is a plugin I use with my editor, Sublime Text, and the plugin is called Emmet. Sublime Text also has shortcuts, shorthand way of writing code. So anyways, let's reference that Bootstrap file. Let's do a different reference here because I like to have my, there we go. And then we say that is in the folder CSS and is on Bootstrap. It's called Bootstrap. Bootstrap.min for minified.css. So this is we're referencing. I like always to put Bootstrap first. The reason because I would like to modify Bootstrap sometimes, and if I put this file before the style.css, whatever file I'm using, it's if I put Bootstrap before my style.css, Bootstrap is gonna override it. So if you know HTML, CSS, you already know that. So anyway, let's use Bootstrap. Let's say for some reason you have a button here, right, that says click here. What Bootstrap does is now we are referencing Bootstrap, and Bootstrap has a utility classes that you can use. For example, class, and now Bootstrap has a class that's named btn. That's one class. Let's do another class, btn dash primary. Okay, now that we have that, let's just put type button here. I haven't done this in a while. I just figured I'd do a little tutorial for you guys. And then we are going to see what we have. There you go. And that is, if I take that class off, I'm going to show you. If I take this class off, okay, and I go back to that file, to this page, and you see that we have no class at all. I don't know if you're able to see that. Let me just put it a little closer so you can. Right now it has nothing there. It's just a regular element, HTML element, and it does nothing. So if I put back that class here and I refresh it, you see that Bootstrap did all this for me. Isn't that nice? Okay, so that's how to use Bootstrap. Okay, and that's how to add classes. So Bootstrap, their page, if you go to their page and go scroll all the way on top here and you click on CSS, on the right side you're gonna see how to use their code. It's very simple. Just go to one of these. For example, you go to buttons and you can copy one of these. Let's copy this one. This one is already, so they just give you examples. Isn't that beautiful? They give you an example, you save it, you come back to your page, reload it, and then you got another button there. So basically all you have to do is add classes to any HTML element that you have, and you're gonna have something already pre-made for you from Bootstrap. And this style sheet is just a big library of classes. Um, and that's about it. There's nothing more to do. Just go here and get yourself familiarized with their classes. Learn it. Learn the grid system, which is one of the most important things. Bootstrap is a mobile first framework, so everything starts from your phone first. As you can see here, they got these classes here that you can make columns, and they can adapt depending on the pixels. So you got a column small on 750 pixels, is gonna do something. It's gonna collapse. And the same with this, and the same with this, with a large, medium, small, extra small. You come here, get familiarized with this, and you're gonna be doing very good in Bootstrap. Just practice and practice and practice. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that I was able to help somebody out there. Okay, have a good one. Bye bye.